Welcome to Tetakawi's Manufacturing in Mexico podcast, FAQ edition.
Hey there, this is a show where we help manufacturing executives like you understand what it really takes to launch, operate, and thrive in Mexico.
Exactly. If you've ever looked into expanding into Mexico and hit a wall of complexity, today's topic might just change how you think about scaling globally.
So today we're diving into a foundational question.
One that comes up early, often, and honestly confuses a lot of folks.
What is a shelter service provider in Mexico, and why should executives care?
All right, picture this. Your leadership team has tapped you to figure out nearshoring. Mexico's on the radar.
Right, and you start mapping it out. Standalone legal entity, IMMEX certification, labor compliance, facility lease, environmental permits.
HR regulations, safety policies, tax strategy, it's a rabbit hole.
And then somewhere in the process, you see this phrase, shelter service provider.
And the first reaction is usually something like, wait, what is that? Is this outsourcing? Is it legal? Is it even real?
Totally valid questions. Let's clear it up.
A shelter service provider is a Mexican company that acts as the legal operating entity on your behalf, so you can focus on production.
And to be clear, you still own your process, your product, your IP, and manage your team.
Right. It's not contract manufacturing. You're not handing over your line. You're outsourcing the red tape.
The admin lift, the compliance maze.
Exactly. And that's huge because going the standalone route, that can take 8 to 12 months before you're even shipping product.
With a shelter, depending on the provider, you could be fully operational in half that time, sometimes less.
So what do shelter providers typically handle?
Big picture, you're looking at support in areas like HR and recruiting, accounting and finance, import and export and customs, legal or regulatory compliance, facilities management, and purchasing.
Now, important note, not all shelters are built the same.
Right. There are over 25 shelter providers in Mexico, and they each operate pretty differently. Some are just legal umbrellas, just enough to check the compliance box.
Others function more like a patchwork of third-party vendors, disconnected, not really integrated.
And listen, that can work, but if you're looking for something built for scale and speed,
That's where Tetakawi comes in. Tetakawi is not a consultant or a contract manufacturer. What we are is the operator of 5 purpose-built manufacturing campuses across Mexico.
and when we say campuses, we're talking about environments designed to deliver everything you need to manufacture at scale under one umbrella.
We've got sites in Empalme, Guaymas, Hermosillo, Mazatlán, and Saltillo.
So what's inside a Tetakawi campus?
First, move-in ready industrial buildings. No construction delays, no permitting backlogs. Then there's the shelter legal framework, fully compliant, already in place. You also get an embedded workforce pipeline, labor, ready to scale, and then all the on-site services that make it a true end-to-end setup. Things like labor management, HR, payroll, benefits, union relations, import and export admin, IMMEX, customs, cross-docking coordination, facilities management, maintenance, utilities, infrastructure, EHS, environmental, health and safety permitting and oversight, purchasing and supply chain, local vendor coordination, and accounting and fiscal compliance, invoicing, BAT recovery, audits.
And all of that delivered on-site under one U.S.-based contract.
One team, one partner, no surprises.
So what's the upside?
Speed. Some Tetakawi clients have gone from signed contract to full production in just 30 days. Lower costs, shared services can reduce overhead by 30% or more, and reduce risk. Built-in compliance helps you avoid costly missteps.
So here's the big takeaway. If you're building your own factory in Mexico, not outsourcing, and want speed, control, and compliance from day one, the shelter model might be the smartest path forward.
And if you want more than just a legal wrapper, if you want real estate, services, and compliance integrated with a true partner, Tetakawi is ready.
Thanks for listening to Tetakawi's Manufacturing in Mexico podcast, FAQ edition. We'll see you next time, right here.